takes a really big toll on your life.
Exactly. Even beyond, even beyond like racers. I mean, we come to a track at, let's say, 9, we have a session at 11, we drive till 1, we're home by 5. The mechanics, the technicians, they're there 6 a.m., 9 p.m., that's their
Right.
shift. And that's absurd, so if you have, I mean, I wouldn't even be able to comprehend how complex it might be at F1's level and what, stress they're actually under, apart from just the physical effort that goes into it. Uh, it's just difficult to imagine 23, 22 races in a season, how do you move from one race to another? Because apart from even like a physical toll, a mental toll, I'm sure
Right.
I'm sure even the technicians are now requiring psychologists and therapists and all kinds of help to help improve and step up their game.